You want a carrot? Yes, you want a carrot? Yes, I love carrots, right? Oh, yes. Is it yummy? Choc. Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well and staying warm. Today in our area we're having minus 16 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's super freezing cold, so I thought it's the perfect time to make some hearty warm soup. So today I'm going to show you how to make a white bean soup. It's a Mediterranean soup and it's just perfect for a cold weather. For this soup, you're going to obviously need the cannellini beans, you're gonna need a potato, you're gonna need some carrots, I'm gonna use some celery stalks, shallot onion, I've got garlic, we're going to need some spinach, and then I'm gonna top the soup with some delicious parmesan cheese. Let's get started. So first I'm going to prepare a medium-sized pot and I'm gonna peel and chop the shallot. So I have one shallot onion. And once you have the shallot onion peeled, chop it to small pieces. So put it in a pot. Now I'm going to take 4 garlic cloves and I'm going to chop them also. And you can either chop them or slice them. So I'm going to slice them. Since I want to give the onion some time on its own whilst I'm sauteing it, I'm gonna put the garlic aside for now. And now I'm just going to peel the potatoes and the carrots and clean the celery. So I'm gonna be using 1 potato and 3 carrots. And I think that one of the key things to have in your kitchen is a good potato peeler, because it just saves you so much time. I make a lot of salads, a lot of soups, and this is such a time saver if you do have not only good knives but a good peeler. When it's peeled, just cut the end bits. So I'm using 4 celery stalks today. Now I'm gonna rinse the veggies and we're going to chop them. So now I'm going to slice the carrots, and it's really up to you what kind of size of pieces you prefer. Just aim for the pieces to be approximately the same width, because then it's gonna cook equally. My dog heard the word carrot, so she came to get a piece. You want a carrot? Yes, you want a carrot? Yes, I love carrots, right? Oh, yes. Is it yummy? Choc. Okay. Now slice the celery. And again, I'm going to do approximately the same weight as I'm cutting the carrots. And now chop the potato. I prefer smaller pieces of potatoes, but again, it's up to you what you prefer. So I'm just going to do small size cubes. And if you have the potatoes smaller, then they matching more the size of the vegetables, which means that the veggies won't get too soggy, because we're going to be putting them in the soup at the same time. So here you can see the size that I'm using. We've got the veggies ready, and now we can, let me just see, now we can start sauteing. So we're gonna start with the shallot. So first put olive oil in the pan, and I'm using approximately 1 tablespoon. So saute the onion for approximately 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add the garlic. So in about 3 minutes, add the garlic and saute for another minute. Make sure you don't over saute the garlic, because then it gets bitter. And after a minute, add the veggies. Now saute for 5 minutes on a lower heat and stir occasionally. So after 5 minutes, add water, and I'm adding approximately 1.5 liters. Raise the temperature now, and we're gonna add the seasoning. Add 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of dry oregano. Add 1 heaped tablespoon of vegetable bouillon, or use broth if you have it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and if you want, a little bit of pepper. So now cover it, and as it's cooking, we're going to rinse and drain 2 cans of the cannellini beans. And by the time you have the cannellini beans rinsed and drained, you can add them to the soup that's already starting to boil. Although the cannellini beans don't need to be cooked, since we're using canned ones, it's still nice to add them to the soup as it's cooking because it will absorb the flavors. And now cook the soup for 20 to 25 minutes until the veggies are soft. And after about 20 minutes, when the veggies and the potatoes are soft, add the spinach, and I'm adding 3 cups of spinach. Mix it in, and it's gonna soften straight away. And when the soup is ready, we're going to top it with some Parmesan cheese. You see how beautifully rich and hearty it is. So grate some Parmesan cheese. And as the last step, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. I hope you try this soup, and if you do, let me know how it worked out, or what is your favorite soup when the weather gets super cold like this. And thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.